Hello, Internet. So today we're going to be showing you guys how you can create a creative portrait picture for your profile, for your Instagram page, and other social media platforms. We are going to be trying out some of these creative portrait pictures you see on the Instagram. Most of the creative had them on their profile. So you guys should follow us to, see how we um organize our lights. We are going to make use of many lighting setup today. So stay tuned and watch us to the end of the video. No, it's